Welcome back. Let's do three-letter animal spelling. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Awesome, let's move on. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Nice, let's keep it up. B. B-E-E. B. You're doing great. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. That's easy, right? Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Excellent job. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Excellent job. Let's continue. Ram. R-A-M. Ram. Awesome. Let's move on. Elk. E-L-K. Elk. Nice. Let's keep it up. Doe. D-O-E. Doe. Excellent job. Let's continue. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Awesome. Let's move on. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Nice. Let's keep it up. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Nice. Eel. E-E-L. Eel. That's easy, right? Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Excellent job. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Great job. Let's see the next one. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. Excellent job. Let's continue. Like and subscribe for more adventures, and we'll see you on the next one.